mati nih. Siapa mati? Aku. Kau udah mati kan? Belum. Udah pistol apa di studio? Cuma di sini kan yang belum mati ya. Kamu udah mati? Udah mati. Cemen. Bayangkan kalau. Jadi siapa sih? Bisa beli bebas. Ya beda buat nol dulu. Sampai waktu ini tidak tahu. Dan Sandranya mana ini? Gak Sandra. Orang tuanya mana kok itu? Aduh, Jordan di situ tapi ada orang. Dulu lagi gua mana ada yang dulu. Pistol nggak bisa ganti. Yang salah kita lewat waktu. Habis mah? Ya udah, gua oke. Dari orang yang mati. Tadi dan di sini lah, di rumah itu loh, cek. Hah? Cek. Ayo main lagi tuh. Ayo. Dua di sini lah. Oh, di sini. Escape. Apa naik? Main dulu. Apa nama tempatnya? Rama. Gua ya, pistol gua gimana ya? Yang warnanya oranye itu. Pistol yang warna oranye kok gimana ya? Kenapa? Nah ini dia kan hilang. Kayak ini. Tuh, tempatnya kayak enak, pusing. Jadi komposisinya banyak sih? 3 aja. Hah? 3 aja. Bayar orang bayar apa? Sama sekali. Jadi, dari situ lah. Pusing aja di situ. Right. Mana? Mana ini juga? Atau ini? Boleh kita tinggal dulu sampai itu kan? Ya. Berapa orang? Kita polisi aja. Polisi aja 3 orang aja. Hah? 3 orang. Itu berarti nomor lainnya berbayarnya 10. Ayo. Kan jagonya kayaknya di tempat ini ya kak. Kok banyak sekali sih polisinya? Kok terorisnya yang banyak kan? Terorisnya sedikit. Banyak itu, tapi yang banyak. Jangan dulu. 2-3 gitu ya. Buset. Apa ya? Dari lu 24 mas. Ya 24. 15 aja. 15 apanya? Teroris. Bukan 24 itu lawannya sedikit. Kayaknya banyak mas. Kalau maksudnya. Ya, sekarang aja tinggal ini. Tunggu. Alah, sesuai sih lumayan kan? Oh, udah. Sesuai lumayan nih. Saya buat latihan. Masuk hujan. Enggak oke. Bentar ya. Ayo. Kejar, kejar, jaring dulu, boleh.
Nah, coba dia ada.
Gimana kak? Ini berapa sih jelasinnya? Buat yang ketiga. Jelasin kok cepat. Itu dia. Berapa sih?
Nanti jadi delapannya deh.
Alas, selamat kuliah nih.
Ya, aku harus itu loh.
Kenapa aku malah jubur? Aku malah lagi. Aduh, wes mas. Mau ikut mobil.
Masa aku lama. Ya. Pulang. Ya, sih berpulang. Sih berpulang.
Ya, yuk. Baru berinya mas ya. Gimana kok gak bisa nih? Berani. Alah, masih. Hilang ini muni. Harus coding ya lu. Baik sekali ini. Maksimal menit 24.
Amin Pak.
Joinnya teroris.
Amin. Apa Pak? Amin Pak. Siapa? Pak. Gak jadi. Bapak doa. Bapak ntar ikut turun tangan di OSIS dong.
Kayaknya kameranya harus dari sini.
Nah, belum.
Kan udah connect.
Nah, nggak pakai itu.
Kan udah connect.
Hah?
Oh, udah di attach ya.
Di sini ya.
Aduh, udah.
Teroris. Nih, Mario, ayo. Ini sopo ya? Kuat dia. Kau mati duluan. Tinggal dua. Ini yang mati. Flashback. Jangan saya peluruku habis. Masa katanya solusinya nggak bisa. Bisa jalan.
Motor baru deh yang ngerti. Kayak royal wing kepala kayak. Betul, kebaik
Good afternoon, everyone.
mulai.
Anjir dua.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, we come from BPI 1 can hear your
Di
voice.
Okay.
Ya, misalnya
About my
pelurunya banyak apa?
voice.
Apa? Yang pelurunya banyak.
Magetan.
Your text
Okay, fine. Yes.
ketimbang full man.
Yes, please. Baik, nanti ruang
Gua di bawah dong.
Hello, we're from Senior High School in Mactan. We can hear your voice. You're welcome.
Good afternoon for everyone. Today we are entering the
Sarana.
sixth session of the TDC competition. So the module for today is Pokemon Go Gift Banking for students. For the
Sama nih cemen.
competition,
Halo Bandung.
Aku senior.
and
Kali Gondang.
competition is for
Yes, we can. Yeah.
Itu nggak pertama nih.
Thanks, Kak.
Okay.
Okay, Magetan, you can start now.
Just wait.
Please just wait a minute. Share my screen. Yeah.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, just wait a minute, please.
Wait. Okay.
Alah, mau mati ya.
Okay, good afternoon, judges and participants of this competition. As usual, before we start our meeting today, let me introduce about my team. First, myself, my name is Fikri Arifan Cahya as the first speaker, and then next to me is Nadia Nurul Nuha as the second speaker, and the last is Valentina as the third speaker. And here, we are team from Senior High School 1 Magetan. And then for the split team, as the first speaker, I'll explain about why this motion appears. And then the second speaker will explain about the example of impact from Pokemon Go. And the last speaker will explain about summarize from all of our explanation. And then here we are agree if the SAS believe that Pokemon Go is giving a bad impact for students. Okay, before we start, let me explain what is Pokemon Go itself. Pokemon Go is free-to-play, location-based, pervasive, augmented reality game that developed by Niantic for iOS and Android devices. It was initially released in selected countries in July 2016. In this game, players use a mobile device's GPS capability to locate, capture, battle, and train virtual creatures that called Pokemon. Pokemon appeared on the screen as if they were in the same real-world location as the player. This game supports application purchases for additional in-game items. Pokemon Go is a game that enjoyed by millions and exercise motivators more than everything. But all of that doesn't matter as the game is highly problematic and therefore must be banned and burned in large fires at our nearest hometown. This moral panic surrounding the game is entirely justified. Be warned, while the highly popular Pokemon Go is a lot of fun and has its benefits, there are plenty of things that can go wrong while playing. Since the game's launch last month, stories have been flooding in of unfortunate players who've ended up in awkward or even downright dangerous situations as they planned. Everything from sprained ankles to mugging have become commonplace as so many unprepared players take to the streets in search of their favorite Pokemon monster. Then, why this game can give bad effects for students? First, when the students play this Pokemon Go, their achievement in school lean to decrease. I mean, sure, individually, not at all, depend on itself. And then the second, in my opinion, as far as I know from newspaper and then television, many students that play this game, their social life lean to decrease because they can adapt themselves when surrounding with their friends. They lean to be selfish and don't care with their surrounding. And then next is this game teach the users to be far away from the real life. So if you let this happen for a long time, what will happen with the students? Maybe that's all from my explanation. Thanks for the time.
Gue dari kata orang dulu. Mati pelajari. Mau tarik gue.
Okay, please find the material and
Is it our turn?
start
Hello.
Apa enggak? Apa ya? 25. Berapa? Kemarin lu berapa?
Hello. Hello.
Tuh, yang aku tadi tahu.
Simulaknya, simulasinya.
Oh, ya udah berarti. Jadi yang kurang apa? Lihat dikasih dulu dah. Ya, aku cuma.
Hello. Kira.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, you can start now.
Sure.
PPI 1.
Go ahead.
Woi, maju.
Sok. Jangan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizky Akbar. I'm from SMA BP 1 Bandung. On this topic, Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go is a free-to-play and location-based progressive augmented reality game that developed by Niantic for iOS, Android, and Apple Watch device. Pokemon Go is an online-based game. In this topic, Pokemon gives a bad impact for students. We think it's not, because Pokemon Go has positive impacts too, besides the negative impacts. What the positive impacts that we can get from Pokemon Go? First, that is a health impact. We can exercise with Pokemon Go game because it's GPS game based on GPS. We can run, we can search our Pokemons with walk, run, or something. And then in historical, Pokemon Go is based on GPS, that they are in a Pokestops and then gyms. In Pokestops, Niantic placed the Pokestops randomly, but most of all, Niantic placed the Pokestops and gyms in a historical monument, like in Bandung, like in Alun-Alun or the others. And then link. What link we can use in Pokemon Go? We can connect to each other Pokemon player.
Mr. Rino, can I ask you something?
To defeat the monsters.
How many times do we have
others.
to prepare the materials?
And then the
right
trend.
now?
Pokemon is very booming now. We can use it as a business.
We have 15 minutes.
Business, digital, and
I
marketing
think we should start.
for students. Why we can use that? It's give
Okay.
a
Thank you.
very, very good impact for our economies. Like we can increase our devisas with the Pokemon Go. And to educate people to make a teamwork, because we connected each other to give it
Mr. Rishnu, can I ask
the
something?
monsters. We can use that.
Which one is the first
And then that
speaker? Is SMKN 11 Bandung or
Pokemon Go
SMKN 13?
impact is the positive impact. We can entertain ourselves. We can refresh with that, with the Pokemon Go. It's that from all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
The next one is SMKN 1 Kaligondang or SMKN 13 Bandung.
Okay, thank you. So now
11, I think the proposition. 13 is yeah, good. 13. SMKN 13 is not yet.
Okay, Susanna.
So SMKN Bandung will be the first speaker, and then the opposition will be SMKN 1 Kaligondang.
Okay, my name is Nadia Nurnuha as the second speaker. I will take the rebuttal from the statement that you said earlier.
Di komputer nggak bisa ya?
You said that Pokemon Go could help you in exercise and refresh your mind, but in fact, right now, mostly people looking for Pokemon by using car, bike, or another vehicle. Or only they are wandering aimlessly on the street. But in fact, many of them got into an accident. And and Pokemon Go, in fact, they spend the time for the student without any kind of main function, because students not supposed to work on their study because playing this game. Okay, I will go straight to my material about Pokemon Go, the impact of Pokemon Go. I will tell you this impact in 2 points of view. The first is from students' duty of a student. By playing the Pokemon Go, the students often break the rule. Why? How they break the rule because of playing this? Because oftentimes we found that in Pokemon's map, the location of the new animal is in strange places like public toilets, other people's room, house, and etc. This kind of stuff could lead the students to trespass others' private place that the students shouldn't have to enter, only in order to gain a new kind of Pokemon. Then, to obsess with the game can change the point of view in life. Students who are too much into the game is probably having much minds to dodge their responsibility, such as skipping classes, neglecting their homework, and also forget their study time, since they spend most of their time to play. Then the student is also lost focus and interest in school stuff. The competition of getting higher level and new Pokemon is distracting the students' focus in school. And then the second point of view is students in daily routine. Many players reported falling over potholes, twisting ankles, and even walking into lampposts and other obstacles as they spend their time engrossed in their phones without paying full attention to their surroundings. The evidence record is by Redditor Amalthea, who took to the site to explain how, just 30 minutes after downloading the game, they had managed to slip and fall into a ditch, fracturing one of the bones in their foot. Also, students could get mugged when catching the Pokemon Go. A few days after the release of the game, police on O'Fallon, Missouri, got a call at 2 a.m. about a group of 4 teens who were parked on a Pokemon hotspots. According to the reports, when players of the game stumbled into the parking lot that the teens were hiding in, they exit the car and rob gamers at gunpoint. In reality, Pokemon Go has created some traffic accidents, just like happened with a 15-year-old student named Autumn. She caused an accident in front of a museum in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, when walked across the road. She mentioned the reason why she got in accident was because the Pokemon Go's map leading her to go across the road where the traffic was busy that day. From the explanation I said to you earlier, we can tell that Pokemon Go is way worse in effect than the good side. That's all from me as the second speaker. Thank you for the time. I'll give back to the second speaker from the negative team.
Okay, thank you. So SMA BPI 1.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Denisa, and I'll be the second speaker from the opposition team. And as my first speaker said, Pokemon Go is a game that uses GPS. And usually when you play it, it requires you to move. And I think that when you move, it might improve the health for students. And also, usually Pokemons are located in public places, such as national monuments and parks. And since Pokemon Go is rising right now, more people will go to national monuments, and it will become a rise in income for our country's economy as well. And it's required, and the game allows you to connect with other people all over the world, and I think that will be a very good way to socialize for students with other people from other countries. And the game, and in Pokemon Go, there's this thing called a gym, and basically the gym allows students to work in a team, as a teamwork, and the game teaches students to work in group. It teaches you how to be in a teamwork, how to be as one. And nowadays, especially in Indonesia, students are under a lot of stress. There are a lot of homeworks and a lot of tests, and I think that Pokemon Go can be a good way to entertain themselves. And I think about getting addicted and all that. I think about getting addicted and about achievements and all that. It's up to you. It's how you manage your time to play Pokemon Go and how you manage your time to study. It's not Pokemon Go's fault that you're addicted. Pokemon Go just wanted you to have fun. Like when the company made Pokemon Go, it didn't say that it wanted you to get addicted and leave your studies. It's how you manage your time. And also, Pokemon Go makes you go out. It will decrease the chance of students being isolated. It will decrease the chances of students being antisocial. It might make students more friendlier and cheerful, and I think that Pokemon Go doesn't really have a bad impact for students. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And your name is?
Siti Denisa.
Siti Denisa. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, move on to the third speaker from Pakistan.
Hello, my name is Valentina Saraswati and I'm the third speaker from Senior High School in Mactan. First, I want to refute from the second speaker from Senior High School BPI Bandung. One, you said that by playing Pokemon Go, the health of the users will improve. And we think that playing Pokemon Go just make people walk around, not just make their health improve, because to exercise there's others way that better than just using Pokemon Go. Next, by playing Pokemon Go, students will spend more money because the GPS needs mobile data. When you say the Pokemon Go can start business, I will remind you that students are not supposed to work around business because their main responsibility is to study. The next one about the history places. When students go to history places to play Pokemon Go, their main idea to go there is to catching Pokemon, not to study in the historical places. Even if the historical places have nice places, good environment, and the information there, but the student won't read that because they will just think about the Pokemon, how to get it, and just about that. So we cannot say that Pokemon Go can make the student learn more about the historical places. And then now I will tell you about my arguments. One, the Pokemon Go has bad effect for students because it can make students forget their main responsibility to study. Too much playing Pokemon Go just for fun can make the students forgetting their responsibility to study. They will just play and play and play again. Next, I'd like to lead students to break rules and other people's privacy. When searching for Pokemon Go, even in the public places, there are still people who need privacy. For example, what if the Pokemon right in front of public bathroom? That will make the users broke others' privacy who use the restroom. And then the Pokemon can find in somebody's house or properties, or the Pokemon can show next to people that have their own problems that we solve. The next one, time management of student will disturb. Because when they play the Pokemon Go again and again and again, they will forget their own time management, when to study, when to eat, when to do stuff, and they will just keep playing, playing, and playing. The Pokemon Go can lead to accident. Because when they just look at their smartphone,
Okay, then we will wait for
at their smartphone and looking for the Pokemon, they want aware of their surroundings. They just aware of what happened in their smartphone and the GPS and where is the Pokemon. And it's dangerous because maybe there's somebody who just drive by and this person just playing in smartphone and just get hit by the car. It's an accident. There's a lot of better way to exercise. Like what I said, we can go to gym and just do stuff, yoga, run, playing basketball and anything. The next one, the idea of getting money by opening business based on Pokemon won't work on students. And then, so we said that Pokemon Go have bad impact to students because it's really disturb their daily activities, disturb people around them, disturb their main responsibility to study. It can lead them to do bad stuff. So Pokemon Go is not good for students. Thank you. That's all from me.
Anggita, Dina, and Jihan, right?
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Valentina.
First one is Anggita.
Okay, is it my turn?
And third.
Wait a second.
Okay. And
Okay.
For the 11 Bandung.
Hello. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Yes.
Okay, my name is Alvin. I'm from BPI 1 Bandung Senior High School. First of all, I'm gonna review the third speaker from SMA Magetan teams. You're talking about you're blaming the person, not the Pokemon Go. It's out of the topic.
Yes, my name is
We're talking the Pokemon Go, not the person who play it.
And third.
I mean, you're talking about
Yes.
it can damage people. It can cause student break the rule at the school. You're talking about
I'm the
the
first
things
speaker
that affect from the human, not from the Pokemon Go. And then,
our motion
I
today
mean,
is Pokemon Go online.
there's a lot of good factor here on Pokemon Go. Like example, it can be creative from Pokemon. You're thinking about what is trendy now. Oh, Pokemon Go. You can make business from it. I mean, it's not a sin for us to create a business while we still a student in school. I have a lot of friends here who are selling things, and they're still keep studying. BPI 1 has best one store, which is digital marketing, the first in Indonesia. The high school has. I mean, it's just the way of the human think, our mindset to use media. Pokemon Go is media to refresh our mind, to know each other, to know the environment, to know the historical places, to know the nature, to refresh our mind. I mean, if it's just, I mean, I'm giving you an example. If I'm alone in home, I'm thinking about what I'm gonna do in this day, today. I'm gonna go out. What am I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna play Pokemon Go around. And then if I'm playing Pokemon Go around and I meet with people, I can know each other, having a relationship. I mean, a link to know as a human, as me as a human, as we are a social species here in Earth.
and
we're talking
become
about time
a public
management,
nuisance at some
and then
locations.
it's not the Pokemon Go
Pokemon
that
Go
has a scene.
is designed to
It's depend our parents'
include
responsibility to
discovering
take care
and
us who
catching
to use
from
smartphone
Pokemon
and
is how
Pokemon
famous
Go.
other
So it's
places
not the Pokemon
the
Go
game
problem
has
or
spread
bad impact for Pokemon Go, but it's us that has to manage better for ourselves. So if you have doing something, blame yourself first, and then you can solve. Okay, that's why our team should win this debate because our argument is much better than the government things that are from us. Thank you.
Over the first weekend, after the game's release, a lot of people found themselves playing at night, the time of day adapt, with Pokemon you might find, and with fewer people playing, developer Niantic overtapped the servers to run a lot better. But some clever crooks used the nighttime throw of Pokemon Go to their advantage. According to police, using Pokemon Go,
I think you have to replay first then
at Pokestops in secluded locations late at night and then robbed them. Police arrested 4 suspects, including a juvenile. Can you imagine if students get robbed, or maybe more serious like kidnapping or murder case and others? It could reduce their safety. And there's a case that one kid killed his own brother because he thought that his brother closed deployment on his phone. Can you
Now we
imagine
think our
if
argument
students
is better
posted
because all this
police,
time
they
we've been
can't
saying
go to
impact
school or
of
learn
Pokemon
and
Go
play like
to
their
the
friends.
students.
And it
I mean,
will make
all this time
a
you've said
bad future
situations
to them.
about humans
And that's all
doing
for
bad
me.
things, and it's not because of Pokemon Go.
Get go to
Think about yourself first. And you said that Pokemon Go might shift students' focus into playing and not studying. Again, it's how you manage your time. If you play Pokemon Go all day, then yes, maybe, but you can divide your time into playing time and then doing homework time.
Can you speak louder
That's all
or
from me. Thank you.
turn on the volume higher?
Any other response?
Okay. Here I will give my reply from our team. First, back to the title. Pokemon Go gives bad impact for students. So we must think the impact for another time, not only now. I mean, as long as you say that it just the impact is now, so you can say that for now maybe you can give the positive impact for the users, but for another time maybe it will give bad impact, especially for the students. And then Pokemon Go is a lot give bad impact than the good impact for the students, because they will forget in the time because too much enjoy to play this game, and then many accidents happen because negligence of the users, especially from the students. Thank you. That's all from me. Excuse me? What next?
Yeah. Have you heard our reply from our first speaker? Yeah.
And we've done?
Yeah, we're done. Yeah, we have. think. Have you heard it's
BPI 1.
Okay.
Any other further response for
Next, the second speaker of 11. 13, right? Can we go to 13? Speaker of 13.
I'm sorry, miss. As exactly after I from the affirmative team replay, the discuss has been over exactly.
okay, so you are done. One is done
Can
with
you
their
talk
argument.
like?
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. If I may give suggestions
Okay,
for
but
both of you
still,
for
it's
SMA
okay.
Negeri 1 Magetan, you already know the
First speaker of
when is your turn?
is Maulina, right? Maulina, you are the first speaker.
Yes. We've done. Yes, we've known.
When did she told or when did she mention?
Since last night.
So when is the time you prepare for the argument?
After the school, about 3 hours.
This afternoon. Yeah. Before this.
If I may suggest
Or after the class and in our school.
can you repeat it?
Yes? Mm-hmm.
I cannot hear your answer. Can you repeat it?
Oh, yeah, we can hear you. We prepare we prepare this today.
Okay, so if I may suggest,
We prepare this motion.
if I may suggest you can prepare the presentation, your arguments, and please memorize some pointers. So you didn't read all of the argument, so you can speak fluently and yeah, so it will be better performance.
Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you for your performance. Presenting and debating others
Yeah.
about the manners, I mean.
Yeah, I know. I'm sorry for our mistake.
It's okay, it's okay. Maybe next time better.
Sure.
Okay, that's all for me. And thank you for SMA Negeri 1 Magetan and SMA BPI 1 Bandung. Now we are moving to the second session for SMK Negeri 11 Bandung. Are you there?
Yes.
And also SMA Grati?
No,
Not yet?
you haven't.
Okay. Give me a moment, right? Give me a concern is people, sorry, students will use their time not for studying but for playing Pokemon Go, because if we play Pokemon Go, we will have more curiosity, and we don't want to stop it. We are addicted before students forget
Orang dia teroris semua.
the work that
Tadi udah teroris apa? Bawa polisi. Oh, sama apa?
Hello Jannah, can you hear me?
Mana kamu polisi?
Okay.
Oh iya man, caranya.
Then we should move to the second speaker of Ilekin Bandung.
Okay, this is my turn. My name is Rizky from SMK 11 Bandung. And another bad impact of Pokemon Go for students, it is like the students can waste their money to buy like Pokecoins, role models, lure models, or even Pokemon Poke account in the online or something like that. So they will waste their money for something not even real. It's a virtual world. That's totally useless if we're trying to find the real meaning with Pokemon Go. And it could lead us to a criminal case like a dead body, or there are so many cases that a Pokemon Go trainer, like Pokemon Go player, it come to a scary place, and then inside the place is like a dead body or blood or something like that, scary stuff. Yes, like that. So it can cause a error psychology, and then it can brainwash students to being lazy to study. And then in the school they are studying, but they're not actually study, but they are thinking that when will I go after I go to home. After I went home, is there any new Pokemon? Is there any new Pokestops? Did my gym has been taken or something like that? Like they are not even thinking about what is material for tomorrow. Did I have homework, or is there any test tomorrow? Yes, or something like that. And it literally wasting our time for something that's not even real. And then it's like positive, negative, like that team that agree with this motion. It said that they can give students many challenges. Yes, challenge like getting robbed or kidnapped. Okay, this is actually a war between two. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And then the next one is from Kaligonda. Kaligonda, Dini. Okay, we start.
I also take a picture from negative thing. I prefer Pokemon Go online game is giving bad impact for students. The first I will revamp the second
Which one? 11 or 13?
The first speaker While we playing Pokemon Go, we must go out and it can refresh our mind after we tired with our text in our school. I will tell you Pokemon Go from healthy state. First, Pokemon Go can by we playing Pokemon Go, we can inhale the fresh air and enjoy the summer sun. If students playing outside, go outside to because users must go out to hunt Pokemon in outside. Sometimes users must hunt Pokemon and it can make our body health. There's many psychologies. Pokemon Go can decrease our worry and our depression.
That's all. And then we proceed to Bustami from 13, right? Yes.
The first speaker or my friend has explained two statements to all of you. I will give another statement. The first and second has been explained, and I will give a third. The third statement from us is Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go or that again Pokemon Go can spend energy for useless activities while energy can be used for things more benefit. Such as get information about lessons or help us to get our make us easier if we are really our people around us, if we are just really focused our gadget, it will really make us more. I will debate about the statement for play Pokemon Go because it's so so many accidents we can imagine. We can know it will happen to us. And who really play Pokemon Go, okay, it will help us. It will build social skills. Why? We are really focused on our gadget. We are not talk to anybody else. We are just stay and we are really
And proceed to Yana from Yayasan
Hello, can you hear me? Okay. My name is Iya. I'm the third speaker from the affirmative team. Let me remind you that our motion today is Pokemon Go online games is giving a bad impact for students. I think I totally agree with that because just like my friend said before, Pokemon Go is too dangerous. There's a lot of cases that causes by that game, and just like the other affirmative team said, this game will kill our social skill. It's not good for us. We're social creatures, and we need to socialize with other people. And if we to focus on our gadget playing Pokemon Go, it will give such a bad impact for ourselves. And I heard from the opposite team that Pokemon Go can be an alternative for us to refreshing after getting tired from school. Actually, you will get more tired if you play Pokemon Go because you have to walk around or something like that to looking for Pokemon. I mean, just like my friend said before, it's a fictional world. It doesn't even exist, and why do we have to get attached to something like that? I mean, it's not even real. We can, and besides, if we want to get ourselves healthier, we can just play sports or joining the physical education class in our school. There's lots of things that we can do without playing Pokemon Go. And besides, if we to attach to the Pokemon Go, it will make our brain focus to that. I mean, we will forget about everything, and it's bad. It's really bad. I think that's for me. Thank you.
Soalnya beda-beda.
Kamu
tunggu sekarang sama SMK 11 Bandung.
Kali Gondang
Musim itu kan untuk ngomong tiga-tiganya.
Halo Risma.
Iya.
Sekarang waktunya kamu sama SMK 11 Bandung hari ini sekarang.
Itu satu rumah aja.
Sekarang buka laptop wes online wes dari situ. Sekarang buka. Karisma buka laptop dulu. Halo? Kemana mereka? Kemana? Iya. Loh. Coba dicari dulu wes, cepetan ya. Iya.
He said that by playing Pokemon Go, the student will ignore the lesson, but we think it's not true because by playing Pokemon Go, the experience in playing Pokemon Go in class. For example, my teachers of Bahasa Indonesia and English teachers, they apply learning by experience. So, in class, we are asked to write in writing class and tell our experience in playing Pokemon Go. And for third speaker of 11 Bandung, by playing this game, we move our body. It is help. We have the Pokemon go out of room. It is help because we inhale fresh air. And to play this game, we should go out to hunt Pokemon. While we play this game, we meet other people. We can talk to another gamers about this game. We can share our experience about our Pokemon. We can share our experience how to hunt our Pokemon and many others. And we can avoid the negative side of this game, Pokemon Go, by using this game wisely. And then nowadays, in 21st era, all of learning media use technology, right? Education cannot separate from technology. So, the teacher should make the lesson more attractive, interesting, and entertaining. Knowing education can become better. Teachers can use Pokemon Go in classroom by giving tasks or assignments to the students to writing based on their experience. With this activity, the students can be asked and tell their Pokemon in classroom based on their experience. From this activity, students can increase their capability in writing. That's all from me. Thanks for attention.
Okay, then for the last speaker, Arif. Yes. Speak louder, please.
Can I start it now?
Okay, please proceed.
Dia polisi dong. Dia jangan bakar terus tadi.
Playing Pokemon Go will burn resources and patience, and we will spend energy for useless activities or useless things because it will consume more energy and our battery will drain. Next, if we are playing Pokemon Go, we are too focused on our gadget, and so we will ignore people become antisocial people like we will social skill will kill to focus on our gadget. Okay, next I will tell you about the facts and I will tell you about the cases for playing Pokemon Go. First is on Merdeka.com. There are 18 students in Mexico. They are playing Pokemon Go near the train station, and when they are too focus on their kids yet. They are hit by the rain and they're dying. Dead. Next, I will tell you about the 17-year students from Indonesia. They are playing Pokemon Go.
Magetan, can you hear me?
They
SMA
are
Magetan.
walked into the secret area like the forest.
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, so we will wait for another 10 minutes for SMA Grati, but if they cannot make it, we will be the proposition team for SMK Negeri 11 Bandung.
So if we play
Excuse me,
we can in these cases that if we playing Pokemon we have next I will tell you about
excuse me. Hello. Okay.
11 age
I cannot hear your voice.
students when he is playing Pokemon Go because he is too focused on their kids yet. He is lost in forest and he is killed by someone who but next I will tell you about the another cases like in America in Massachusetts they are
Actually, we have been.
who driving in their car on the traffic light.
Today.
When the traffic
Sorry, I cannot hear your voice.
is going
Excuse me, but we already debate with.
we are really want that Pokemon. Chasing that Pokemon.
Can you just send the chat?
Okay, thank you. To be honest, do you play Pokemon Go?
Sir, we know. Wait a moment. Can I interrupt?
Yes.
Yeah, interrupt. Can you setting me to be host because when the participant show, only your video appear. Yeah.
Hello,
I will
excuse me,
setting
miss.
The video when the participant show the participant will be visible.
Actually, we have been debate with SMK BPI 1 Bandung. But you said that we must be debate again with SMK 11 Bandung. Right?
Okay, thank you. Okay, I will setting. Thank you. Yes, continue. Okay.
What it mean? We can catch what you say exactly.
SMK 11 cannot be debated.
Okay, then let's continue our discussion.
I see.
To be honest, do you play Pokemon Go?
So, because of SMA Grati
Okay. This is
Okay,
my point.
and then?
For the debate, for the discussion, for all of you. The first one.
Okay, and then what will as affirmative or negative?
Bisa di pause dulu nggak musiknya?
Other speakers. And then.
Oh yes, but wait. I will call my other friend because they have a business. Wait.
Silence sebentar. Halo, Mr. Wisnu, please, sorry, I interrupt again.
Okay, and then about the point for.
Halo, Mr. Wisnu, sorry, I interrupt again.
I'm losing you. I cannot hear your voice.
Hello, Mr. Wisnu.
Yes, yes.
I still participant, not host. Can you choose my name and then click right click and then change to host so I can arrange the video. Choose my name and then right click and then okay, already okay.
Excuse me, Miss.
Okay, go ahead, continue.
And then, how about the point for senior high school Magetan? I mean, with debate and we must debate again. Is there any additional point for us?
I will give the remark for your first presentation with SMA BPI.
Okay, let's continue.
Because
This is
this is an
just
emergency
an
exit
advice for all of you.
because Grati didn't show up.
And then
Do you
it's
know
a
what I
good
mean?
to explain
Yes,
the
thank you. So,
keywords.
there's nothing additional point for us?
We can understand what is the matter.
Ask for your help.
And then,
Performance.
while it's good to consistent with your statement, please also point
yes.
out
Just
another
wait for a
statement
minute.
that will make your opinion stronger. Not speak that statement over and over. And then, although it's good to bring up the international fact, I think it will be nice if we find the local news that close to our environment. And then it's good that we came up with the fact in the first speaker, not in the last speaker, because we can make the opinion strong at the first. I think that's all for me. Yes. And then
Mr. Wisnu, excuse me, can I ask you something?
Okay.
Is there any reply speaker for this session?
Replay?
Reply speaker.
What do you mean replay?
The one that summarized our argument. And actually, yes, right? It's okay in 13 and 1, 11.
Kenal.
Restart.
Who will be the one that summarize the discussion?
We have some technical problems,
Let me
so
restart.
we need to restart our
Not monomonat, like Mr. Rocky said, that the reply speaker will be the first speaker or the second speaker. It's actually in the end of the debate from each team. But if they are not the first speaker, so that.
Anyone hear me? SMKN 11 Bandung.
Yes, I can hear you.
For each group.
We can hear you clearly.
So we should have a summary for each group, right?
Yes.
Okay, then please, SMKN 11 Bandung, proceed with your summary.
So we are first turn up reply. Okay. Okay, go ahead.
And from the project view, the reply speaker
Okay.
from the negative team first. After that, the affirmative.
Oh,
From
yeah.
the positive.
How about last week debate?
From the
No, but let's give it the first one. Who's the first one?
From
The first.
the process view, after
Okay, Kaligona first.
okay. I'm as the white speaker from negative.
Here, Fatul.
We totally disagree with the motion. This house believes that Pokemon Go online is giving bad impact for students. And the third speaker of 13 vocational actors says that they provide the cases in United States, but the limitation is in Indonesia, not in United States. And then, as a speaker of
SMK 11 Bandung, can you hear us?
Pokemon Go,
And then, what will when will
the debate start? Are we wait for the host?
No, the host is
We're still waiting for Grati for.
Oh, you wait for Grati. Okay.
Yeah, if they didn't show up until 4:15, then you'll be the opposite side for SMK
Pokemon, our experience. So,
you say affirmative, Miss?
I
Sorry.
think we are the affirmative state. Supposed to be.
It will be, I mean, you versus SMK.
and then
Okay. Yeah.
make a friends with them.
Welcome.
And then
Yes.
I need
speaker of affirmative say that Pokemon Go can disturb our concentration in learning. That is wrong because we play it in our free time, not when. So we can keep our mind. Our statement is Pokemon Go has very good impact for students. It can make entertainment for students after they try to do their test or their daily activities. And we negative team totally disagree with the motion. This house believes that Pokemon Go online game is giving bad impact for students. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Please proceed for SMK 11.
This is our turn. Okay. Our summarize it. Okay, if you say that negative thing, the students become active and brave enough, challenging themselves to walk over the city to find Pokemon. I think if we are catching Pokemon and walk over the city like that, it will make the students like hurt. Okay, and it will be more tired. If you just if you just came from your school and then you have to walk again, find Pokemon, it will be more tired. So because of that, they don't want to study after that in their house. it wasting time like that. Like what I said before. We can do something more positive than wasting our time with that game. Okay, you said that there are many challenges. Yes, challenging, socialize. That's true, but the fact is not. That's not even true. Okay, and then okay, that's the newest refresh that I've ever heard in my life. Like we have to walk after we tired. That's the new refresh, and the refresh air is actually 3 p.m. Okay, thank you. And for SMK Investing, excuse me, if you want to talk, please mute your audio first because it disturbs another. Excuse me, it's a real sorry for saying this, but I feel sorry for another team. Thank you.
Okay, then 13.
Okay, I am Pawan Pretend Professor, and I will give you a conclusion of our statements and our cases. We agree with the motion that Pokemon Go will give a negative effect for the student because from the statement we have talked previous time, and for the Kaligondang Vocational High School, the website there give a limitation, right? We are also here the limitation. We are give you cases and the data from Indonesia, but for if we just add some cases from the other country because if we are just explain we are in just not in Indonesia, but the main cases we are explaining to you the Indonesia, but we just add from the other country. For this, the conclusion that we are really agree for because the first Pokemon Go we're bordering concentration people and spend time, spend money, spend energy for something more something useless or not really helpful for the social activities, and the next it will more really really we if we too much or playing it too much it's not good thing good stuff because it will kill our social skill, and the last is it will if we are really focused to our Pokemon or our gadget, we will and I think that's all for us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. And I will submit the result to the Simulec. And then I think that's all. Thank you for your participation. See you next week, right?
Halo SMK 11.
Mr. Vishnu?
Yes.
How about the result?
Mr. Adri, the result will be announced later, right?
Halo.
Hello.
SMK 11. Your voice
Thank
is
you.
very low.
Can you hear our voice?
Okay, it's so you will receive SMA Negeri 1 Magetan. Then you will be SMK 11 will be
Everyone, what should you do now?
while SMA 1 Magetan as a affirmative team. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You may start now.
Okay.
Good afternoon, judges and participants of this competition. First, as usual, before we start our meeting today, let's introduce about my team. Myself, my name is Fikri Arifan Cahya as the first speaker, and then next to me is Nadia Noronuha as the second speaker, and the last is Valentina as the third speaker. And we are team from Senior High School 1 Magetan. And then for the split team, as the first speaker, I'll explain why this motion appeared. And then the second speaker will explain the example of impact from Pokemon Go. And the third speaker will summarize from all of our explanation. Pokemon.